Today we are making apple fritters. They are so delicious and they will make your house smell like a fall can. We're gonna start by combining all the dry ingredients together, and we will put all the measurements and ingredients in description. So we have flour, baking powder, cinnamon, and salt. Just stir to combine it all and set this aside. Okay, we're gonna combine eggs and sugar together and just whisk them up until they're fluffy. You want to slice up some apples. First, I like to peel them and then slice them into like bite-sized pieces. Those are the chunks that you'll find in the fritters. So you want them to be like similar sized pieces, small enough, and like perfect bite. Once you chop your apples, you want to toss them with a little bit of lemon juice. Okay, seriously? Not like that. A little bit cleaner. Okay, now we're going to combine all the dry ingredients with wet ingredients. Just like so. Fold it in. And now in small parts, we're gonna add a little bit more milk to the mixture. Or all of it. Now we're adding apples to the mix. And the dough is basically all done once we combine it together. At this point, you wanna preheat some oil. I like it to be at around 350 degrees or so. Dump out little chunks of donut fritters. So I'm using literally an ice cream scoop. I will press this down a little bit to flatten it out. And do more. You don't want to overcrowd the frying area. Give them space around each other. This part is totally optional, but I love to make a glaze for my fritters. So we have some powdered sugar. I'm gonna squeeze a little bit of lemon juice in there, and then tiny bit of water. So I add water in like small parts. As I mix it up, I look at the texture. If I like it, I don't add any more. If it's a little dry, we add a little bit more, but give it a minute because sometimes it looks dry at first, but then look at this. It turns into magic.